Welcome to day 2. Today, we'll focus on mindful breathing to calm the mind and body. Sit or lie down comfortably, close your eyes, and let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let's begin a simple breathing practice. Inhale deeply for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for a count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's repeat this together a few more times. Inhale deeply. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold gently. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale completely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale deeply. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold gently. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale completely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale deeply. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold gently. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale completely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale deeply. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold gently. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale completely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feel how each breath is helping you release tension. With each inhale, imagine you're breathing in calmness and strength. With each exhale, picture yourself letting go of worry and stress. Visualize anxiety as a dark cloud being gently carried away with every breath out. Notice how your body feels as you continue this breathing pattern. Feel the way your chest rises and falls. Feel the air entering your nostrils, cool and refreshing, and leaving your body warm and soothing. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring it back to your breath. Focus on the rhythm. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Let's take this practice a step further. With each inhale, silently repeat to yourself, I am calm. With each exhale, silently repeat, I let go of stress. Let's do this for a few breaths. Inhale, I am calm. Exhale. I let go of stress. Inhale. I am calm. Exhale. I let go of stress. Inhale. I am calm. Exhale. I let go of stress. Take one last deep breath in, hold, and release slowly. When you're ready, open your eyes and return to the room, feeling calm and grounded. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today. Stillness is a powerful gift. It allows us to see clearly, to find peace amidst the noise, and to reconnect with what truly matters. Remember, you can return to this practice whenever you need a moment of clarity. See you tomorrow for the next step on your journey. Thank you for meditating with me. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. This helps my channel a lot. Or share your experience with your meditation in the comments. Come back daily to build your habit. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow.